Batisi TV, Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Hakini kendiat sengi ke BJP kalakop yu Menteri Rangba Kejala Conrad ke Sangma. Balada unut omde Ïakhun arteli Konstitwensi. Hendai ude Ïakhun baik Tang Kawei kata ke Konstitwensi ke bau mikmat menta ke Saut Tura. Ke BJP kalakop bau kurtong jangkau Bernard Marak unpuliam hakini ke kenti yau Conrad. Habai krem bikilat patai kubur Conrad ulaong bau Ïakhun Satya arteli Konstitwensi. Hendai Ïakhun baik Tang Kawei bat kata ke Konstitwensi ke bau mikmat menta ke Saut Tura. Ula keren scam dak boong ba ula tray borba hapo Konstitwensi lejong bat ungai scam bagi ba kidang I yu.
I will not be contesting from two constituencies. Right now, as of now, I am only contesting from South Tura constituency. So I'm very clear on that. I have full faith in my constituency. I have worked very hard in my constituency and I have built up. So there's no question of me leaving my constituency as such. In terms of contesting from another constituency, I have not decided on that yet. The party also has not decided on that yet. We will see the situation, how it unfolds. But as I said, my primary constituency, which is South Tura, is the constituency where, as of now, and at the moment, I intend to contest, and I will contest from South Tura for sure. Basically, in both these MLA's cases, we have been discussing as a party about both the constituencies. And this was a very conscious decision that was taken by them. And this was also after a detailed study that the party has done at its own level in regards to the current positions in the constituencies. And based on that, it was more or less kind of a mutual kind of a stand. And they have decided to go to another political party, which is fine because they have the right to choose. It's a democratic process. And I have nothing to say against them. I wish them the very best. But of course, NPP also has their own candidates in that constituency. And we will do our best to ensure that we win those seats. As I said, that this constituencies and few other constituencies where we have done our assessment and we have found that the positions are not strong of the certain incumbent MLAs. And therefore, we had discussions and in the party, and those MLAs then decided to leave. And we have other candidates who have already been working hard there, and they decided to come to our side. So it was a very mutual thing, and we already have candidates in those constituencies and they'll be contesting. So as I said, it's a mutual thing, it's not a setback, it's a part of politics, and we already knew that this was going to happen about 3, 4, 5 months back.